I'll be playing the right hand for It Begins Raining. This is from the Music Adventure Book 2, which is for the Young Musician course level 2. So I'll be playing the right hand for the song. Okay, first of all, I'm going to put my right hand thumb on Sol. This is my middle Do. So now, because this is in the key of G, Sol position, I'm going to put my thumb on Sol. So this is how it goes. Re, ti, la, sol. Re, ti, la, sol. Do, ti, la, ti, do. Ti, la, sol, la, ti. Do, ti, la, ti, do. Re, do, ti, do, re. Re, ti, la, sol. Re, ti, la, sol. And I'm going to also add the left hand, and I'm going to play the left hand while singing the right hand melody. So the left hand, you only play two different chords, which is, I'm going to put my left hand, my pinky is on Sol and my thumb is on Re. So the first chord that you're playing is actually Sol and Re. And then you will see as well, this is Sol and Re. I'm going to show it to you on the book. I'm going to play it again on the piano. And there's another one, this one is Fa sharp, Do, Re. So let me show it on the piano where the Fa sharp, Do, Re is. And the middle line, all you need to do, just play a single note, which is Re. So here we go. Re, ti, la, sol. Re, ti, la, sol. That's the first line, which is exactly the same as the last line. So let me play that again. Re, ti, la, sol. Re, ti, la, sol. Do, ti, la, ti, do. Ti, la, sol, la, ti. Do, ti, la, ti, do. Re, do, ti, do, re. Re, ti, la, sol. Re, ti, la, sol. And that's for the hand separately for It Begins Raining.